What's up everybody, Kevin here, and we are back with another episode of 1 minute C# tutorial. In this video we are going to write 3 types of trim keyword. Now let's start the video. And that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked this video and find it helpful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more. If you did not, leave a dislike. Again, thanks for watching and hope you have an awesome day and peace out.